What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. Just got back from vacation and the next day at work, this is what I come to. Look at this. Peep that. All full of snow. Snow's just starting. I wanted to come home, do a video riding, but unfortunately the snow has been killing New Jersey, New York area. I will be if the snow doesn't get too crazy on Wednesdays, it's gonna be about 50 degrees. Hopefully I'll take the bike to work and I'll do a little video ride or something like that. Again, look at this. Snow has just begun here in New Jersey. Crazy. It's not stinking too much, but it will. All right, guys, short video here just to give you a little recap on my way back from Atlantis, Bahamas, which was about 87 degrees. It was great weather, great time, had a great time. I'm trying to see if I could go to Daytona for the bike week. We'll see what happens. I don't know, the COVID situation, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna ask some of my friends to see if they want to go. All right, so talk to you soon. Back to work. Peace out.